Hello, my friend. I'm Anaya, your host for today's episode. I'm so happy you are here with me. Today, I will talk about something that many English learners feel. You may be one of them. You may say, I can understand, but I can't speak. If that sounds like you, don't worry. You are not alone. Many people feel the same way. And today, I will help you understand why this happens and how to fix it. I will use easy words and give you clear steps so you can start speaking English more easily and confidently. So let's begin. You might already understand English well. You can listen to someone speak and know what they are saying. You can read books or watch movies in English. You can even understand music or news. But when you try to speak, you stop. You get nervous. The words do not come out. You feel afraid to make mistakes. Your brain understands, but your mouth does not speak. This is a very common problem. It is okay. It is not your fault. And the good news is, you can fix it. You can learn to speak. You just need to take the right steps one day at a time. Now let's talk about why this happens. The first reason is this: understanding and speaking are two different skills. Yes, they are both part of learning a language, but they are not the same. Listening and reading are called input skills. They go into your brain. Speaking and writing are called output skills. They come out of your brain. So just because you understand something, it does not mean you can say it. And that's okay. It means your input skills are strong. That's a good start. The second reason is you don't practice speaking enough. Maybe you do not have someone to talk to in English, or maybe you feel shy. Maybe you are afraid someone will laugh at your mistakes, so you do not speak. But if you do not speak, your speaking will not improve. Speaking is like using your muscles. If you don't use them, they get weak. If you use them every day, they get strong. The third reason is you think too much before speaking. You try to make the perfect sentence. You try to translate from your language to English in your head. This takes time. And it makes your brain tired. It also makes you feel slow. But fluent speaking means you speak without stopping too much. It means you can speak with simple words and short sentences. You do not need to speak fast. You just need to speak clearly. Now let's talk about how you can improve your speaking. I will give you simple steps. You can follow them every day. These steps really work. Many people use them and they see results. Step 1. Speak every day, even if you are alone. Yes, speak with yourself. Say what you are doing. For example, say, I am making tea, or I am washing my hands. Talk about your day. Today I feel happy, or it is sunny outside. You do not need big words. Just say simple things. The goal is to get used to hearing your own voice in English. This helps your brain connect your thoughts and your mouth. Step 2. Repeat what you hear. Listen to short English videos, podcasts, or shows. Then pause and repeat what they say. This is called shadowing. You do not need to understand 100%. Just repeat what you hear. This helps you learn the rhythm, speed, and sound of English. It also helps your mouth get used to new words and phrases. Step 3. Don't worry about mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes. Even natives. Speakers make mistakes. You do not need to speak perfectly. You just need to speak. Mistakes are part of learning. If you wait to speak only when you are perfect, you will never speak. So be brave. Make mistakes. Learn from them. Step 4. Learn useful phrases, not just words. It is hard to speak when you Only learn one word at a time. But if you learn phrases, it becomes easier. For example, instead of learning just the word hungry, learn the phrase, I am hungry. Instead of just want, learn I want to eat. When you learn phrases, you can use them right away in real life. Step 5. Use easy words. You do not need big, difficult words. Use simple words to say what you want. For example, instead of saying, I'm feeling extremely tired today, just say, I am very tired. The goal is to communicate. You can add more words later. Start simple. Step 6. Record your voice. Yes, this feels strange at first, but it is very helpful. Record yourself speaking for 1 minute. Talk about your day, your family, or your plans. Then listen to it. You will hear how you sound. You can see where you stop or get stuck. Then try again and improve. You will see your progress over time. Step 7. Find a speaking partner. You don't need a teacher. Just find someone who also wants to learn English. You can talk with a friend or join an English speaking group online. You can use apps like HelloTalk or Tandem. The goal is to use English in real conversations. Don't be afraid. You are both learning. Step 8. Think in English. This is a big step. Start with small things. When you see a cup, say in your head, this is a cup. When you're hungry, think, I want to eat. Slowly, you will begin to think and speak in English naturally. Now, I want to share a real story. A learner named Amina from Morocco wrote to me. She said, Anaya, I understand everything in English, but I cannot speak. I feel blocked. I told her to do just one thing. Speak one sentence in English every morning. That's it. After 1 month, she wrote, again. She said, now I can speak 5 sentences. I feel happy. See? You do not need to do everything at once. Just start small. Speaking English is like planting a tree. You plant a seed today. You water it every day. After some time, it grows. In the same way, you speak 1 sentence today. Tomorrow, you speak 2. One day, you will speak freely. You just need time, practice, and patience. Let me remind you of something very important. You can do it. Yes, you can. Let me remind you of something very important. You can do it. Yes, you can. You already understand English. That means your brain is ready. Now you just need to help your mouth catch up. Don't be afraid. Don't wait. Start speaking today. Use the steps I gave you. Speak out loud. Talk to yourself. Talk to your pet. Talk to your mirror. Just talk. Remember, you do not need to speak fast. You do not need to use difficult words. You do not need to speak perfectly. You just need to speak. Step by step, day by day. Let's review the steps again. Speak every day, even if you are alone. Repeat what you hear. Shadowing. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Learn full phrases, not just single words. Use simple, easy vocabulary. Record your voice and listen. Talk to a speaking partner. Think in English when you can. If you follow these steps, you will improve, I promise. Maybe not in 1 day, but in 1 week, you will feel more confident. In 1 month, you will speak more easily. In 3 months, you will surprise yourself. Now, let's do a short speaking activity together. I will say a sentence. You repeat after me. Ready? I can speak English. I am learning every day. Making mistakes is okay. I do not need to be perfect. I can speak English step by step. Good job, you did great. Before we end, let me tell you one last thing. The fact that you are listening to this means you care. It means you are trying. And that is the most important thing. Don't stop. Keep going. Every word you say is a win. Every sentence you speak is progress. Thank you for listening to this episode. I hope you learned something helpful today. I believe in you. You can speak English. You can understand. And yes, you can also speak. This is Anaya, your host. I'll see you in the next episode. Until then, speak with confidence. Speak with courage. Speak with love.